Withdrawing money from Binance after your account review is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure a smooth withdrawal. Step 1. Log into your Binance account. Access your Binance account by entering your credentials on the Binance website or app. Ensure that your account is fully verified and that you have completed any necessary identity checks. Step 2. Navigate to the wallet section. Once logged in, locate the wallet option on the main menu. Click on it to view your available balances and the different cryptocurrencies you hold. Step 3. Select Withdraw option. In the wallet section, find and click on the Withdraw button. This will take you to the withdrawal interface where you can choose the cryptocurrency or fiat currency you wish to withdraw. Step 4. Enter withdrawal details. Choose the currency you want to withdraw and enter the amount. If you are withdrawing cryptocurrency, provide the recipient's wallet address. For fiat withdrawals, select your bank account or payment method and fill in the required information. Step 5. Confirm withdrawal. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the /com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. After following these steps, your withdrawal request will be processed. Keep an eye on your email for any updates regarding the status of your withdrawal.